Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested and most amazing charms pick a card reading. How your March 2021 will be. Yes, friends, we are the first to do the March readings as always. You can check, we are always the first. So, friends, this in this reading we are going to see how your March will be, love, work, career in general. I'll also be pulling some charms from here. The charms dices are here, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One person is selected for the free reading. So, subscribe, like, and share. And thank you so much for your love and support, friends. I hope you are all doing well. And I hope you're all safe because there has been a lot of weather changes and extreme weathers at most places in the world. I hope you are all safe and doing well. So, March is going to be a very interesting month because a lot is happening. Sun will be in Pisces when we start the March. In the mid, it will move into Aries. So there is water and fire energy, lots of, passion, lots of fiery fireworks. And Mars is in Gemini. So, that makes our, love life very passionate. Hot, hot, hot. March is a hot month. So let's take a deep breath. Today's choices are beautiful. Let me know if you enjoyed them. So take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful yellow umbrella. Option number 2, this beautiful lamp. Option number 3, the popcorn. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go and skip to your number. Also, you can choose more than one option, friends. Yes, you can also do that. And I will be pulling live your few cards live and also the dices. So I hope you have made your choices. Let's begin for option number 1. Just a second, friends. Let me arrange the cards. I have a lot of cards here. Option number 1. Let's see, friends. For those who chose option number 1, let's see how your March is going to be. This beautiful yellow umbrella. Let's see, friends, how your March is going to be. These are your extra oracle messages. Lots of them we have today. And some charms dices we have. I hope you can see them. Let's see, friends, what will be your March like? Ooh, 5 of Swords. You are currently, not feeling very strong, very positive, friends. You are feeling a little defensive right now. I also feel like you are hiding from the world right now, like you are not socializing, you are not telling people what's on your mind, what you are doing. You start the March with this energy also, feeling a little dissatisfied from life or from your love or work. Also, you feel a little like you're hiding from everybody, not wanting to share too much, not, you're trying to protect yourself when you start March because you have been through a lot. So you want to protect yourself from people around you, from your love life, work, career. You want to protect yourself. And you're not sharing a lot your goals, your plans, what's on your mind. You're a little secretive. In fact, when you start March, people will be telling you, hey, you're a mystery. We don't understand you. What's up? Hey, what are you up to? They're going to ask this question to you. Hey, what are you up to? Long time no see. Because I think people are, you are in, you're doing your own thing. You're not being very social. When you start March, I also feel March will bring you a lot of choices, a lot of decisions to make. Right now, you are confused about certain things in your love and career. But March also, these choices will be there. Definitely, these choices will be there. Choices in your love life, work life, what to do, to stay, to go, to be in a relationship, not to be in a relationship. Should you travel? Should you not travel? There is a lot on your mind. I feel March is a very, your mental energy, your mind energy is very high in March. Very, very high. Also, your emotions are very high, so you might be having, Neptune is affecting you a lot in this, because that Piscean sun in Pisces, and I think you have a Neptune which is in Pisces or something, moon in Pisces or Cancer. So you have you feel, when you start March, you have a lot of choices, a bit of confusion, a bit of secrecy. You feel like you can't trust people, you don't know what's up in the future, some confusions. Let's see. But the good news is that Six of Cups. Wow, you will find some support, some clarity in March, definitely. And not just that, a soulmate relationship or friendship is coming for you. Woohoo! Congratulations. So, a lot of love is coming your way, a lot of support is coming your way. If you are already married, you can expect your marriage to get better or communications to heal and resolve. If you're waiting or in fighting with somebody, in argument or in no contact, that person is definitely, that situation is going to get better. A soulmate is definitely coming into your life. If you are single, a new person is coming. You may be confused whether to trust this person or not, but nevertheless, this person is coming. I don't know if you will accept them or not. We'll see with the other cards. But this new person is coming if you are really, really single with no one in the past. But if you have someone in the past, you are in no contact or fighting with them, they are coming back. The things are going to resolve definitely. Also, you are going to feel stable. Like right now or in March, when you start, you are not feeling very stable. You want to protect yourself. But in March, your energy will shift. You will feel like you can enjoy, you can relax, you can enjoy life, like you are protected, you are safe. So you'll feel better, relaxed. Star, your creativity will be very, very high in March. Super high creativity. I see you doing all sorts of dancing, music, even at your work, whatever is your career, you will be very focused on it, very excited about it. Also, if you, I see you learning something new in March. Your creativity will be very high. I also feel that some of you will start learning something in March which will actually change your life. You are hesitant whether you should do it or not, like changing your career, changing your, starting a new business or starting a new hobby. You are confused. Even in March, you will be a little confused whether to do that or not. But it will bring you a lot of success. Not just success, it will bring you a lot of happiness and satisfaction. So you are very connected to divine, to spirit. And I also feel that a spiritual union is coming for you. Love is not just anything, not just anybody is coming for you in March. In for you, a spiritual love, a spiritual soulmate, someone destined to help you, you destined to help them, is coming. I also feel, friends, your creativity will be very, very high. So if you are an, author, a writer, a painter, anything, even if you are not into these things, you will be trying out these things in March, because so high is your creativity. You just can't wait and write and get this out of your body. Queen of Rods, wow, you're super ambitious, my God. Very ambitious, very, very focused. In fact, it will take a lot of people to change your focus or your mind in March, because you have this, like, I know what I want to do and I'm going to do it. Why? Because it has taken you a bit of time to figure out what you need to do in March. Maybe like by mid March you will be clear on what you need to do, but once you gain that clarity, you are going to fly. You are going to be very successful in March. Very passionate. I think you could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maybe you have chosen this pile. You are an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And if you are, it will be a very good time for you, very good month for you. Even if you are not an Aries Leo Sag, a Aries Leo fire person is important, Aries Leo Sagittarius person. It could be a family member, it could be a boss. I do feel, friends, that you are going to come out of your shadows into the sunlight, into the limelight. You are going to come out of hiding into making new friends, being more socially active, coming out of confusion towards focus, towards creativity, towards happiness. Knight of Rods, wow, you are really gonna change your life, friends. You are in the mode of working. You are in the mode in March of achieving. You have some goals and you wanna achieve them. And even in love, you want other people to work for the relationship. You just don't want a relationship. You want somebody who works with you or who gives where there is equal give and take. So that is what you want. I also feel you could be attracting someone who is younger than you in age, and there you are both very passionate about the work you do, or you have similar hobbies, or it could be a very passionate connection coming towards you, a very very passionate, intense relationship, but a spiritual connection, a very spiritual soulmate love. But the physical passion, attraction is very high. You could meet them through work or you already know them through your past, Four of Cups. Yeah, I think you are a perfectionist in March, friends. You are like, you want everything to be perfect. If you wear something, you want it to be perfect. If your shoes, you want it to be perfect. Look perfect, work perfect, 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 perfect. But you may feel like life is boring because everything is so perfect, or life is boring because nothing is happening. So you may feel like you're missing out on life because I do see that there are two parts in your readings. There are two energies in your March. One is either you are very happy and committed and ambitious, or you may feel like you don't want to go out, you don't want to socialize, but you want to be in a relationship and you feel like you're missing out. So you have to be, keep your expectations a little low in March because love is there. You might reject them, but because your expectations are so high, your focus is on work, on career, so you might reject a past person or someone new coming your way. So just keep a little less expectations and enjoy life a little bit more. I also feel that some of you may feel travel restrictions, or you can't travel, or you can't, like you want to go for a job or go for a change your country, change your city, but you can't. So you may feel frustrated about that. I feel a little bit of frustration or boredom because of being stuck at some place. Six of Pentacles, money is coming. Yay! Money is coming your way, friends. In March, money, success is coming towards you. It is your good deeds, your karma coming back, your success is coming. Yes, some of you are waiting for your money to come, your achievements to come, that promotion, that job call. Yes, it is going to happen now. The time is now, it will happen now. Your life is definitely going to feel more balanced in March rather than all these years or all these months. It is March where things feel more balanced and you feel creative and happy. Page of Cups, new romance is coming, friends. Yes, a new person, a new lover is coming towards you. And it is a very spiritual connection. They might meet you through work or they live near your home or city. I also feel, friends, you may have choice in love. Like someone from the past is also coming back and a new lover is also there. So you have to choose which one you want to be with. But you may feel like both are not good for you, or like you are not happy with the two of them. So you need to keep low expectations, friends. Keep low expectations. Five of Pentacles, yeah, someone has hurt you, friends. That's why you have trust issues. You don't trust people in love. You don't trust them. Even at work, people have hurted you. Maybe even your family has hurted you. I do feel a very strong mother, a mother-in-law, very strong, very fiery, could be an Aries, Leo, Sag. Sagittarius person, I would suggest if there is a person who is a fire sign in your March, uh, just be polite to them, otherwise things can get, arguments can happen because the energy for is intense. Also, I feel like, because of the past issues, you have developed trust issues, and how do I say this? You don't trust people. You want love, but you don't really want to open up to love because you are scared of getting hurt. But there are people who are waiting for you to provide that love, that support, that friendship, that fulfillment. So say yes and keep low expectations, because I think like your expectations might be too high and you may feel disappointed even with good offers or good intentions of lovers. So keep your expectations a little less, you will feel more happy. What else? I feel this is more or less a very good month for you, and balance is coming, love is, money is coming. You may feel more, you may feel just at times it is boring, or you can't travel, you can't go outside much. But I think you are very focused on your career, your creativity is super high. New lovers and choices and in love are coming, and someone from the past also wants to apologize and get back together. I don't know if you accept them or not, but someone is coming. They are definitely thinking about you. Financial constraints number 13. Yeah. I feel right now also you have some financial issues going on. You feel like people are hurting you, people are like sabotaging sabotaging your finances, or they are working against you in your work or in your career. I feel March is going to make your finances better, or at least stable. Even if a lot of money may not come, but at least a stable income is going to come. It may be lesser than what you expect, but money is coming, friends. So I tell you one thing about March: keep expectations low, whether it is in love, work, or career, or yourself. Be realistic and you will have an excellent month. But if you expect like to be a millionaire, you're gonna in you go wow, I can't really talk. Wow. What's going on with you, friends? I don't know, it's a very emotional energy. What is it? I think there is a person from your past that can't talk. They want to talk to you. They want to say everything, quickly, quickly, quickly to you. They can't talk, but they feel overwhelmed. Maybe there is somebody who has anxiety, depression, or something. Or they are very excited, a new lover, someone very excited, someone very young, but they are nervous, they are shaking. So you have to be, so that energy is coming right now. So there will be choices in love for you. So healing will happen. But I would suggest, like, money will be coming your way. But if you feel like you will be a millionaire in March, that's not gonna happen. Money will come and it will come in a stable flow, which is good. Adjacent possibilities, yes, new possibilities are coming for you, friends. A lot of new possibilities, new opportunities, new ideas, new mindsets. I also see some of you are really going to change your life by, exercising or getting back to your sexy body routines or whatever, gyms or gyms, workouts, yogas. You are working on your body, you have some goals and you want to reach them and aim them. You want to do something, you want to set some goals and win them. Also, I do feel like you will be changing your career. Some of you want to change your career, some of you are becoming businessmen, businesswomen, entrepreneurs. Some of you might go into media, acting, modeling, actors, models, photographers, how do I say this, someone who works with media entertainment industry. You are also starting there in March. Truth be told, number 14, my God, someone has deep love for you, friends. Deep, deep love, and they are hiding. Maybe they are in no contact, or maybe this is a secret admirer. Or someone who has a crush on you, and they're gonna come and tell you. Truth be told, number 14, yes, there is a truth about your love life. Someone has deep feelings, and they haven't told you. They will tell you in the month of March. And you can see how I'm speaking right now. It's not usual way I speak very fluently, very fast. Whew, let me catch a breath. Someone is feeling overwhelmed. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone loves you, friends. They are missing you. Let's see what else. Power of attraction, number 13. Oof. So you are attracting, friends. You are manifesting, and you are attracting a lot of money. Also, I feel you are attracting love. Love is coming your way. So, anything you want in March, it will happen for you. You have that power to manifest. So, that's what I was telling you about. You may try to manifest a lot. You may try to manifest Tom Cruise, but you may be disappointed that, someone else is coming. It's not Tom Cruise. But you have to be happy because at least this is a confirmation your manifestations are working. Wanted Tom Cruise, but someone else showed up, so that means your manifestations are working. Someone is trying to attract you also. They are trying to gain your attention. Wonderful. A very spiritual union is happening here. Let's see what else has happened for you in March. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Yes, I do feel right now this is a tough time for you. Right now, you don't feel so good, friends. Even in March, like after mid of March, things will be spectacular for you. Before that, there will be some confusion, some choices, some heaviness with emotions, but you're finally coming out of it. So take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and relax because life is gonna become better for you and it's gonna be great for you. You have nothing to worry, my friends. I have a feeling you are crying. Some of you are crying. Don't do that, friends. Only if it makes you feel better. Otherwise, don't. Let's see what else will happen in March for pile number 1. Wow, the stars, number 16, the love stars. This is beautiful. You also have the star. Wish is coming true. So definitely wish upon a star. You will get it. This is a very fated month for you, friends. You are coming out of past issues. You will recover from past heartache. Someone who hurt you will apologize to you. Also, family will heal, things, arguments in the family, disappointments, financial healing, money will come your way. Tower, number 19. Yeah, I do feel you may feel some confusions in the first half of the March. There are confusions, some tower movements may happen, some sudden changes may happen, but you may find out like your friends are gossiping, your colleagues are gossiping or something, but it will only make things better. It is a blessing in disguise. Clarify the tower. Wow, letter. Yeah, you are waiting for some news. It is going to come for you, friends. It will come by the mid of March or by the end of March. So, definitely the love letter is coming. They are missing you, or the letter for confirmation of your job or your exams. It's coming for you, friends. Hang in there. Don't lose hope. Let's take some advice for you. Right, we need some advice for this month because you are going through, a intense month, definitely. Advice. Worthiness. Know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. Yes, friends. You are worthy of all the good things coming your way. You deserve the world, friends. You deserve the moon, the stars, the diamonds, all the love and all the success. So go for it, friends. Even if I feel this is about no one is supporting you. Like you feel alone, you feel left out, you feel like you have less options. But look at that, waves of prosperity. New abundance and exciting opportunities wash over you now. So something exciting will happen, friends, and money will come towards you, and healing in relationships will happen. Time to move on. Yes, it is time to let go of the old and worn out so new can come in. So definitely look for new things. Say bye bye to the past. Let's take some love messages, then we're gonna take the charms. Pile number one, how their March will be. Love yourself first. All right. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. So, yes, the focus is basically on you, friends. Basically, on most of you, the focus is on love, self love, making big changes in your life and becoming more confident and bold. Let's see, let's take some four charms and see how the month of March 2021 will be for our viewers. Wow, luck is coming. See, you doubt your luck. Don't, friends. Look at that. Horseshoe, you are lucky. Luck is coming your way. The camera, wow. I did say, right? I did mention this thing that some of you could be becoming actors, models, going into photography. So, yeah, this definitely, I think some of you will also be getting some fame. You might start working on social media, online or something. You will get a promotion. You are getting noticed. This is how I feel, getting noticed. Owl, you are very intelligent. Use your intelligence. Learn something new. It will be good. And the clouds, I think someone, you may feel a little confused this month or up in the clouds. Also, I feel a lot, this also feels like, islands to me, like someone from long distance is important. So, wow, a very exciting and a very, very powerful March is coming for you, friends. I hope it is an amazing month for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, if you chose option number two, let us see how your month of March will be. We're gonna look at your life, love, work, career, and I'll also be pulling some charms and romance angels messages. More in-depth reading I will cover later, but this is for the beginning. Let's see how your March is going to be. These are your lots of oracle messages. We're going to look at them shortly, and some love messages also. I'm going to pull live for you. Let's see how your month will be. Wow, the moon. Wow, friends, this is a very, very powerful month for you, very intense. I also feel this is a month of telepathy, communications, and inspirations for you. This is a very intense month and a very important month for you. Your emotions will be high, but you will also be able to resolve some important issues. I feel like, pile number two, you are confused about something, or there is some like, I feel like there is a choice between old and new. You feel right now stuck. Should you accept the let go of the old? Should you take charge with the new? What you should do? That will become clear. That will become absolutely clear. Some of you are struggling with your life path. I feel like you don't know what is your life purpose, or what is the purpose of a relationship or a marriage. There is some area in your life that you are confused about, but it will become absolutely clear what you need to do, where you need to be in the month of March. So, very powerful. Also, it could be your birthday. You could be a Cancer, Pisces. It may be your birthday in March. So, congratulations, happy birthdays. Very intense, very powerful. Your emotions are very, very high in the month of March. So, if you are not an emotional person, but you gonna feel emotional in March, because that's the energy and the main theme for you. And also because Sun will be in Pisces. So, yeah, emotions are high, high, high. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to cooperate. Rather say like you're looking for people who can cooperate with you, who can support you. People, you will find more people who are similar minded, or who are doing the work you are doing. So you will interact with them. So this is the month where you should focus on forming relationships or partnerships, or forming a stability or cooperation, teamwork. Teamwork is very important for you, because your emotions are high, your creativity is high, so teamwork is very important. So some of you are going to find people, especially if you are a student, you will find new people who will inspire you, new friends whom you can study with or group study with. Even at work you will find more help, more teamwork, more like-minded individuals to work with. In relationships, I feel the focus is to on harmony, to find peace, to find balance, because the emotions are high. So in relationships you will have to work harder to maintain balance. Queen of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important to you. I feel this is a very emotional, intense month for you. I don't know this, and it doesn't feel like this is your usual energy. You are not usually pile number two so emotional. So you may find it like you are in foreign land. Why am I so emotional? What's happening? Why I feel highly sensitive? But I think it is because you are growing, you are becoming emotionally mature, you are, you know, your heart is open, which is a wonderful thing, which is very nice. I also feel that you expect or want or desire emotional maturity from people around you, because you find like people behave really silly and stupid. I'm being polite here. I think you find people are really, not at all good, or I don't know how you find people, but it's like you are upset with people. How they behave, how they are immature, how they don't cooperate, how they are selfish. But you expect this time in March stable, mature connections. And I think you will find it. You will find people who are mature, who are stable, and who are giving, and who are nurturing, who are ready to work with you, who are ready to understand you. So relax. Queen of Pentacles, you could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or moon, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I definitely feel this month is a tussle, a big fight, a big month for you, because your mind will be super active, your ego will be super active, logical, emotional. You will have to work on balancing it. You will find, you will want to super achieve in your work, in your career. You are doing successfully, you are doing great. You will find a lot of success in your work. If you are already working, there is a lot of success, but if you are searching, you will still be lucky. But you will really have to find balance between your heart and your mind. Your mind wants to dominate, but the energies are such that your heart is dominating. You are caught between doing what your heart says or following your logical things. Should you take should you take the decision logically or from your heart? So big choices are there, but I feel because both are queens, you will be able to balance out your heart and mind, your love and work, your career, your life. You will be able to balance out, but it is an intense month. You will feel everything amplified. Your emotions are high, your ambitions are high, your achievements are also higher. Yeah, two of wands. So definitely, yeah, you want maturity from people. That's the least you can expect from people, right? You yourself are very balanced this month. But if people are not behaving in a balanced way, they are not behaving in a mature way, you're gonna feel very bad. I do feel power struggles, arguments can happen because someone is very emotional around you, or they are very logical about things, very stuck, very old fashioned. So it could be like you're married, there can be some issues about listening to the heart, or your partner is like very much focused on their money, or you are very busy at work, so that needs to be worked out. Balance is the key, maturity is the key, understanding is the key. I feel you are like a super warrior here. In March, you are like a super warrior, a superhero, a Wonder Woman. You want to super achieve everything, and you are achieving it, but other people are the problem. How do you deal with them? What do you deal? You will feel a bit impatient towards yourself and others. So you need to be patient this month, especially. You need to follow teamwork, you need to give people space, you need to forgive them, because they are not, if they don't behave rightly, what can you do, right? Because you are the mature one here. Strength, yes, you are going to recover from any health issues you had. Your health will be quite a lot better. Your stamina will be very, very high. Also, in any relationships you have, will also feel very deep, very intense, and life changing for you. You could be dealing with a twin flame or a marriage situation, or there is talks about marriage commitment with any partner you have. So everything is about long term. Should also, there might be a confusion, should you choose love or should you choose marry someone because of arranged marriage proposals or because they have money. So there are choices to follow the heart or to do the logical thing, but I think you will find the middle ground. You will be able to find solutions, and there is a very strong intense connection that is going on in your life, and there will be balance. It could be your twin flame, and they are going to ask you out, talk with you, balance things out. I feel you might be in a relationship with a third party. There are third parties. Maybe they are married or you are married, or there is an ex. I do feel you will recover from that. You will definitely recover from it. King of Pentacles. So the match made in heaven is here. Look at that. The king and the queen. Look at that. Beautiful. She's wise, she's passionate, and he is the ultimate provider. And she's the ultimate queen who can manage and run a kingdom as well as be the best wife ever a man can get. And this person can run an empire and build your home also. So imagine, look at that. A perfect match is coming for you, friends. What an exciting month it is. Wow. But I do feel you will have to work harder in your relationships. Why? Because there are some challenges, intensities there, emotions are high. Also, you may face some challenges with your mother or your father or authority figures, but because Mars is in Gemini, then Sun will move in Aries, so there might be ego issues, but you can recover from it if you maintain peace. If you focus on working with everybody, you will win. But if you focus on winning with everyone, it might mean more emotional intensity, more drama. Ten of Pentacles, yes, some of you might be getting married, or you might be going to a wedding or a housewarming. You might be shifting, relocating, arranging your home, buying some new furnitures, curtains. I do see you buying new curtains, new drapes, new wardrobes. So, yeah, and I also see that someone is extremely possessive about you. They don't want to share you with anybody. And also you might be in a relationship, a new relationship, but you will keep quiet about it. You will not tell many people about it. Also, I feel like family is very important to you this month. Family will try to family needs a lot of your time and attention. So you will have to work harder to balance your work with your family. I also feel that, friends, if you are really, really single, you will have choices in love coming your way through your work or education. And also, marriage proposals are coming your way. So, long term commitment is also coming, or talks of that are happening. Wedding talks, when you will marry, those talks are happening. And the Seven of Wands in reverse. So don't give up, friends. Don't give up. You are very close to achieving your goals. I also feel like you are in a very strong warrior position in March. Your fighting spirit is very high. You want to fight, you want to achieve, you want to go out and do things. You want to be this king or the queen of pentacles, but you are also the queen of cups or the king of cups. So remember to listen to your heart also. Don't forget your heart, your kinder side, your kindness, your compassion in the month of March, because I feel you have to be balanced, friends. I feel like people may be unjust around you, or they want too much of your attention, your time. You may feel they are unfair, they are stopping you. There is a fight for independence here. Fight for time. They need your time, you don't have it. They want you to follow their rules, you don't know. You want to follow your own rules. So you have to you have to be kinder. You have to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, give yourself time, give them time. Be patient, be balanced. You are in a warrior mode. You are like the Super Mario that goes on and plays and plays, and wins everything. But relax, take a deep breath, relax, all is well, you know. You don't want to wait for people, you know. If somebody tells you they're gonna do things tomorrow or maybe in the future, you are like, nah, I want it today, not tomorrow. You are very clear what you want, but that needs to be. I feel like you may fight with people because you might get angry, so don't do that. Contract, yes, new contracts are coming for you, a new job offer, or you might be passing out of your colleges and getting, even if you are going for an exam, you can expect good results. So contracts, yes. Also, you may be frustrated that your twin flame is in another karmic situation, or you are in another situation or something. So, you are also frustrated about that. Like, why people are not understanding you, why they are not doing this or that, because there is a spiritual contract. Also, new jobs are coming, so relax. Promotions are coming. Number 44, woman holding a heart. This is beautiful, friends. Someone really, really loves you. I feel they behave stupidly or in fixed ways or in traditional ways, but that does not deny that they love you a lot. You know, sometimes people fail in showing their heart. I think this is like somebody wants to tell you that they are stupid, they are immature, they may not behave right, but they still love you. They love you a lot. You are loved. I keep getting that song, She Will Be Loved. I don't know whose song is it. It's a beautiful song, She Will Be Loved. You should listen to that song. You are really loved, friends. I think you are angry with like people are not supporting you or people are not understanding you. But you know, everybody loves you, friends. Everybody. And there is a new love or a renewed love coming for you. So go for it. Releasing allegiances, number 10. Yeah, people, there are some situations which are weighing you down in March. You might have to, separate them or keep some space from those things. It could be addictions, it could be like, there are family members or there is gossip. You need to release certain things or people or maintain some distance, but don't forget, don't make yourself too distant. That's how I would tell you. Release the past, release the negative people, the toxic people, the drama, but don't cut off people. Don't forget that they have a heart. Focus on the heart, friends. Focus on the heart. And communication is the key. New moon in Gemini, absolutely, friends. Communication is the key for you. And how you communicate, how other people are communicating, those are the things. And communication, yes, Mars is in Gemini, and also Mercury will also be in these air signs. So definitely, communication is your theme for the month. The news you are waiting for is coming. How people are behaving, what are they saying, everything is important. And yin, number 2. I would suggest like you want to be the go-getter this month, but I would say that enjoy the beautiful things coming for you in life. Your family, be emotional also. There is nothing wrong to be emotional. I know you are the power-packed one. You are the powerful one, the wonder person, the Superman, Superwoman type. But it's good to indulge in self-care and be there for others and, focus on love. Focus on love also. I do feel you will be like, nah, I don't want to focus on love. I'm done with love. Focus on it. You never know. You chose this lamp. See, so cute. So anything can happen. Good things can happen. You may never know. Let's see what will happen in March for pile number 2. And then we'll pull the charms. Ooh, anchor. Number 35. Yeah, you feel like, some things are weighing you down. Some things are, becoming, holding you back. You are becoming stuck because of those things. But I would suggest you to, reconsider that because, they like family can drain you. A marriage can drain you. You are stuck because of them. You can't move forward. Your career isn't moving forward because you are married or because of the responsibilities there. But how about changing your point of view? Because I feel something will, those who anchor, those things which make you feel heavy are also the things which make you feel grounded. A tree has roots. It is like a tree has roots. You are upset, you have roots. But without roots, you are not a tree anymore, right? So something good is happening. Don't forget that. Sigh. Wow, number 10. Yeah, you are a bit very strict. You are very strict on yourself in March. Like you are overachieving, super achieving, and you also want to cut things out of your life which no longer makes sense. Habits, ideas, people. But I would suggest you to be easy on yourself. Don't forget to self care and be there for yourself and your relationships and family. Clover. Number 2, you're very lucky, friends. I see a lot of success and money coming your way. I see your career being very important to you, and it's like your baby for you. Your career, your dreams, your goals. But you're very lucky. But don't forget, like other people also are an important part of your life. So let's take some advice. Have faith. Your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. That's perfect, friends. I think all my words can never be enough. Only angels can assure you that your prayers are being answered. You will achieve everything you want to achieve and much more. Any other advice? You are being helped. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you, even if you cannot see the result yet. Positive energy, yeah. You want to remove the negative people, the drama, or negative ideas and thoughts. You surround yourself with positive people, situations, avoid negativity. Friendship, yes, a friendship is coming, friends. Definitely a soul union, a twin flame union. For some of you, could be getting married or deciding that yes, it's time to go for it, time to settle down. Make a date or a play day with one or more friends. Let's see your romance angels, then we're gonna look at your charms. Oh my god. Look at that. Wedding is important. This situation involves wedding. So some of you are definitely getting married, or your focus is on long-term commitment, relationships, partnerships. So wonderful, friends. This is a very, that's what you want actually, that is your expectation. Total love, total marriage, ultimate union, mind, body and soul. Okay, I think this is like a ring, so I would take it as a wedding ring. A wedding ring. So definitely commitment are important. It could be a new business opportunity or a work opportunity, or you could be getting promoted. So yes, that's important. Commitment, proposals, mountains. Yeah, there are certain problems in your life in March, like issues with family or people pulling you down, but it's okay. You can still move ahead even with that. Running ahead. Oh, friends, you're very busy. You definitely are the go getters this month. In March, you are like, March is like quick, quick, quick month for you. You're gone. It's gone like, before you know it, it will be over this month. So you better do your work and start planning. And the cartoon character, this whale, I think it is, or, shark. Yeah, there are some people who are quite emotional, or how do I say, drama people, shark people. You have to be a little careful. You can deal with them politely rather than with your ego. So focus on that. It's a great month for you, friends. And remember, you are very powerful and you are being helped a lot. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. This is me, Mystic C, saying bye bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this yummy yummy popcorns, butter popcorns. Let's see how your month of March will be. I'll be pulling some charms also from here, and some romance angels messages also. These are your oracle cards, and let's see how your month of March will be. Oh my god, March starts with passion, with commitment, communications, lots of messages, lots of ideas, new ideas. You are feeling very excited when it comes to March. You are feeling very excited about a new commitment or communications, or some work opportunities coming, or some projects are coming, so you're very excited about it. There is a lot of planning and excitement going on in your mind. I see communications, back and forth talks, messages happening between you and a person or a coworker or a boss, plans being made with friends. I do see you going out on a movie night with friends. Maybe it's your birthday, so you are planning a birthday or a party or something. So woohoo, great start. So let's see what else. Yeah, two of swords. I do feel you are feeling, currently you're feeling a little stuck in some situation right now, like you don't know what to do about your career or how to change your love life, how to make things. If you are single, you feel very stuck, you don't know how to change that. But I feel you will come out of this energy in the month of March. You're gonna really find life is moving fast. This stuck energy is gone. You are clear what you want, and new things are opening, new doors, communications. The energy is shifting, it's moving, it's opening. Wonderful. The sun, my God, you are going to be in the limelight. People are going to notice you. A lot of people are going to ask you out or message you. Compliments are coming your way. You are also going to feel very positive about yourself. It is like, you are moving out of this darkness into the sunshine in the month of March. You could be having your birthdays in March. You could be a Pisces or an Aries. So it will be the time when things change for you. March will be the time when things change for you. I also feel you could be meeting people who are perfect for you, destined opportunities, destined people, destined ideas. This is something happening which is fated for you. Something is happening in March which is fated for you. Also, more people will want to know you because you have this positive energy around you, and more people will want to talk to you, want to know you at work, in love life, if you are single. Go out, put your beautiful pictures on display, and a lot of people are gonna talk to you. So get ready to mingle. And Queen of Swords. So, yes, you are going to find clarity, friends. And not just clarity, I feel you're gonna find focus, you're gonna find stable people, confident people, people whom you can rely on, people who are loyal for you. So, this is a very powerful energy. March is very, very powerful, very positive month for you, friends. I just love this energy. So, from this energy of confusion, I don't know what to do, I'm stuck, you move to this energy. I know what to do, I know how to change my life, I know how to change this relationship, I know how to spice up my marriage. Oh my God, friends, you are on fire. Trust me, in March, super sexy, super steamy hot, and people are gonna be like, who is this? We want them. You are attracting a lot of attention. You are very bold, you are very feisty. Even if this is not your natural way of being, people are attracted. You are very clear. If you are a student, you will be very successful in your studies. Listen to your ideas, listen to your inspirations, your dreams, because you will know how to win an exam, how to clear or crack an exam or an interview. You will know it. You will know it. Just believe in yourself. Be bold. Be confident. Don't doubt yourself. Don't second guess yourself. No, no, not in March. Empress, some of you are going to get pregnant, friends. If you are planning to expand your family, yes, it's gonna happen. Some of you are working on starting or building your businesses, building your careers, building your jobs, building your health or beauty. Some of you are taking care of your hairs. I know some of you have hair issues. I do feel that, or sleeping issues, like you can't sleep, but you're gonna change that. You're gonna change that in March. It's all gonna be good. I also feel relationship wise, you are dealing with a very important connection. Some of you could be dealing with a celebrity or someone very famous. And I do feel communications will start between you and this person. Also, if you are in a twin flame connection, there is like you are valuing yourself, and your twin flame is realizing that yes, you are attracting them more now. For others, there is a chance of a childbirth, a family expansion, a union, a marriage to happen. You are very in a very strong position, friends. You're very fertile this month. You have a lot of ideas. You want to be with people, you want to socialize, you want to create things, sing more, dance more. It's a beautiful energy, and you are also very sure of what you want. Three of Cups, celebrations. Yes, friendships are very important. You are connecting with a lot of people. So, March is people oriented for you. And definitely, you could be getting in love. I do feel friends, some of your friends, or someone who is friend zoned is having a crush on you. They might propose you. Even also, I feel like your friends will help you if you are single to find somebody new, someone who is perfect for you, a marriage partner. Your friends might set you up on a date, or you might set up your friends on a date. So, whew, exciting energies, very exciting. And I feel this is all very destined, this feels very destined with the Sun and Queen of Swords. It is like something you have manifested or you have prayed and it is answered. So your prayers are coming to, and your prayers will be answered. Temperance, yeah, it's a very balanced month for you, friends. A very nice month, actually. Your love, work, and career all will be balanced. You will enjoy this month. Your health will be good. You will socialize with friends, with people. You will go to parties, hanging out with your friends, catching up. Your old friends might be coming, childhood friends. And I do feel someone has a crush on you. They're gonna propose you. There is someone who has a crush on you. They are going to propose you, and talks will start, or you might find a new. Right now, also, you might be in a new connection. It will get steamier in March. Whew, Wheel of Fortune, look at that, friends. You are super lucky, super lucky. Can it get better than that? The Sun, the Wheel of Fortune, friends. Wow. Something is shifting, friends. Something big will happen for you. I don't know if it you can see it in March, or you will see the exact change in March, but I do feel some big shifts will happen for you in March, and you may see the results by April. So don't forget to check out the April readings. Click the bell and bell icon so you don't so you get the notifications, and don't miss the readings. Yeah, your life is changing, friends. Your life is changing. Some of you could be traveling more. Someone could be traveling towards you, shifting or moving towards your country or city. I also feel like travel will bring you money, success, and fame. This month is like fame is coming to you. A lot of luck is with you. Money is also coming. So even like if you have no job, you may suddenly find you're working. Out of nowhere it comes, and you are working. Why? Because this is destiny. This is your destined fruits. This is something that is meant for you. This is exactly what you need. You are at the right time, on the right place. Justice. I also feel legally you're gonna win a lot, friends. Seriously. This is like life is saying yes. And also you will not be putting up with any BS in this month. You will have very strong boundaries. But you will find people who are very good, who are happy, and who are perfect for you, suitable for you, friends, new friends, lovers. I do feel if you are going through some divorce or legal issues, you will recover from it, friends. You will recover. Also, some of you may be in third parties, so you will ask for justice there. You will step out of those things and focus on yourself. So, if you are in a third party, you're not gonna settle for less. You're very powerful, friends. Even in your career, limelight is on you. You will be famous. You will be noticed for what you do. Some of you might be becoming activists, teachers, social writers, reformers. Wonderful. March is gonna change your life. Trust me. You have to tell me. It is like you are birthing something. A new you is birthing. Phew, hot. I would suggest you to enjoy some dates, some popcorns, go out, celebrate with friends, because I think you're gonna be busy. You're gonna be really busy. April will be busy for you. See, rest and rejuvenation. So take time to rest, friends. It's a busy month for you. Don't forget to rest. And strategy number 21, big things are coming. Big things are coming your way. So make sure to plan it well, because you can maximize your success then. Plan, strategize. Co-create number 40. Yes, friends, I do feel right people are coming for you. Friendships, new lovers, or suitable. Even if a person was not behaving right, you can expect more understanding with them in March. So you are going to manifest with you and with another person. New birth. Oh my god, look at that. Guarded vigilantly. Wow. Number 24. So definitely you are birthing something new. I do feel a new you is coming, and you are working on a dream, on a project, something you on a new relationship or building more friendships. You are very protective about it. But don't worry, you are safe. Maybe you are expecting a baby or someone in the family. It will be a safe birth. Don't worry. You are very close to achieving your goal. Gibbous Moon, wonderful friends. So definitely this is a confirmation your goals and dreams will come true. What else will happen for pile number 3? The moon. Oh my god, you have the sun and the moon. Oh my god, you're gonna attract a polar opposite, friends. And it will be a very exciting relationship. I definitely feel someone very exciting, but someone very opposite to you is coming towards you. But it is going to be one of the best relationships or marriages of your life. So, or it could be a work relationship also. So, go for it. And just trying to align the cards a bit. So, moon, yeah, your emotions are very high and you are very, imaginative. You will have a lot of dreams in March. House, yes, some of you could be shifting or relocating, buying a new house, moving into a new house, a new locality. Also, I feel that someone is shifting around you. You may find love near your houses, in your neighborhood. Okay, now that was a jump. Key, oh my god. Oh my god, and it blended on the house. So maybe some of you are going to buy a house and the key may come to you, or you are going, the house, some of you may get a new mobile, what do you say, automobile or something, and somebody gifts it to you, your family, your parents, or you gift it to yourself. Oh my god, keys. You're gonna find solutions, friends. This is a very, very lucky month for you. Seriously, I'm so happy for you. Let's see some advice, okay? Break free. Try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. Yes. Break free. Don't be super protective about yourself. Different people are coming. You're going to attract someone very different, a totally opposite person than you. So try it. Do something. Say yes. Empowerment. You are more powerful than you realize. It is safe for you to be powerful. Let's take some romance angels. Don't forget, we have the charms. And friends, please do support us. We work very hard, friends. We need your motivation too. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Wow. I do feel, friends, there is a lot of passion in a relationship, a lot of stimulating passion, attraction. Ooh, and I think this relationship will become very fast, very intense. You might end up in, bed very soon. You might end up getting married the next day. So just be careful. The pace is very high in this relationship. Whether it is new love or a past lover coming back, pace is high. Retreat. It is time to disconnect from the world. Yeah. I do feel, it won't be a good idea to take this person home, but it would be a good idea to spend a weekend with them or get to know them. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. And look at that engagement. Yes, some of you are going to get engaged very quickly, but I would suggest you to keep your options open and don't hurry, or at least wait it out a bit, because you have pay attention to the red flags. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Man, what a month. Let's see. Now that's like a month, it felt like a year, isn't it? How long I have been speaking, I have no idea. I'm speaking. Feels like a month, feels like a year, not a month. Oh, scissors, yeah, something needs to be cut, friends. Something needs to be removed or released, or it may be gone on its own from your life. I do see a baby birth happening for some of you, or children are important, or your inner child. Keep yourself happy, playfulness, enjoy life, don't be too serious. The cooking, something is cooking for you, something big is cooking, like a big career, a big fame is coming, luck is coming. Also, some relationship or twin flame union is cooking, so be careful. Parents and family, yes, family is very important, parents are also important. Also, love, growing old together. So, wow, what a month for you, friends. Feels like a new but definitely exciting one. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. And this is Mystic Z saying bye bye.